Artificial intelligence is becoming increasingly sophisticated, and it's starting to replace jobs that were once thought to be safe from automation. In this video, we'll take a look at 5 jobs that may be replaced by AI in the near future. So, what are these jobs? And what does this mean for the future of work? Stay tuned and find out. Retail is the first on our list. AI in retail services is geared to revolutionize customer experience. The retail industry has been significantly impacted by the rise of e-commerce platforms. As AI technologies become more sophisticated, they can effectively handle customer queries and provide personalized recommendations. For example, AI-powered chatbots can answer customer questions about products and services, and virtual assistants can help customers find the products they are looking for. AI can also be used to personalize the shopping experience by recommending products that are likely to be of interest to customers. In addition to improving the customer experience, AI can also help retailers to improve their operations. AI can be used to optimize inventory levels, identify fraudulent transactions, and predict customer demand. AI can also be used to automate tasks such as order fulfillment. The use of AI in the retail industry is still in its early stages, but it has the potential to revolutionize the way retailers interact with their customers. By providing a more personalized and efficient shopping experience, AI can help retailers to compete with online retailers and stay ahead of the competition. Drivers are another sector that may be impacted. Autonomous transportation is on the horizon. The emergence of self-driving vehicles has raised concerns about the future of taxi and truck drivers. Companies like Tesla, Google's Waymo, and Uber are investing heavily in autonomous vehicle technology. These vehicles have the potential to enhance road safety and increase efficiency in transportation. AI algorithms can analyze traffic patterns, navigate routes, and make decisions based on real-time data, reducing the need for human drivers. While fully autonomous transportation may still be some years away, it is foreseeable that AI will gradually replace human drivers in certain capacities, such as long-haul trucking. And ride-hailing services, transforming the face of transportation. If we consider Tesla's history regarding accidents, although it has a lot of techie features, the self-driving feature has a way to go before it can work without a human driver. Proofreaders and translators could also feel the pinch with evolving language processing. Proofreaders and translators have traditionally been responsible for ensuring accurate written communication. However, AI-powered language processing tools are making significant strides in natural language understanding and generation. Grammar and spell-checking software such as Grammarly have already proven invaluable to assisting writers in identifying and correcting mistakes. Machine translation systems like Google Translate continuously improve their accuracy through deep learning algorithms. As these technologies advance further, they may increasingly handle tasks traditionally performed by proofreaders and translators, especially in situations prioritizing speed and efficiency over nuanced interpretation. Security is the next field that might feel AI's impact. Advances in surveillance and threat detection are already being implemented. The field of security relies heavily on human vigilance and judgment. AI-based surveillance systems, however, are changing the way security is maintained. AI-powered cameras equipped with facial recognition algorithms can detect and identify individuals, enhancing security in public spaces and reducing the need for human surveillance. Furthermore, AI algorithms can analyze vast amounts of data to identify patterns and anomalies, aiding in threat detection and prevention. Although human involvement will remain essential in certain security scenarios, the integration of AI technologies can significantly augment security measures and reduce the reliance on human security personnel. Military personnel may also see particular jobs taken over by AI. AI may become the face of warfare. The military sector is ripe for transformation as AI-based technologies advance. Advancement in robotics and autonomous systems are transforming warfare strategies. Unmanned aerial vehicles, or drones, equipped with AI algorithms, excel in performing reconnaissance missions, target identification, and even executing airstrikes with unparalleled precision. Autonomous robots are being deployed for tasks such as mine clearance or search and rescue operations in hazardous environments. Human soldiers are not likely to be replaced anytime soon. AI is a ways off on comprehending subtasks. While human soldiers will always be crucial for complex decision-making and ethical considerations, the integration of AI technologies into military operations may reduce the demand for certain types of personnel and can also potentially save lives. So those are the 5 jobs that may be replaced by AI in the future. It's important to remember that this is just a prediction by economists, and the future of work is still uncertain when it comes to AI. So don't panic yet. It's clear that AI is having a major impact on the workforce, and it's important to be prepared for the changes that are coming. There are lots of fields where humans and AI work together. As an example, car manufacturers use robots to speed up tedious work. But humans are still needed to ensure safety. If you're worried about your job being replaced by AI, there are a few things you can do. First, remember that new jobs will be created with the advances of AI, and human judgment will still need to be applied to avoid bias and errors and will still be needed for most occupations. For now, your job is safe. The rise of AI is a major disruption, but it also presents new opportunities. By being prepared for the changes, you can position yourself for success in the future.